Hello students, this video is for chapter 1 to 3. In this video, I am going to discuss all the question answers of the chapter 1 to 3. So first we have chapter 1, that is the ecosystem. In this chapter we have exercise A. Answer the following questions. The first question is, what is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a group of plants, animals, and other organisms that live, feed, and reproduce in the same area. Both living and non-living things together maintain the balance of the ecosystem. Next question is, what is a food chain? A food chain is a chain that shows how each living thing gets food and how nutrients and energy are passed from creature to creature. For example, plants, goat, jackal, lion. In the example, plant or plant product is eaten by goat. Then goat is eaten by jackal. Jackal is eaten by lion. When lion will die, decomposers will decompose it and it will be absorbed in the soil as minerals, which will be again taken by plants. Next question is, how do plants prepare their own food? Plants prepare their food using water, minerals, and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Foods are prepared in the leaves of plant in form of glucose. Leaves of the plant have chlorophyll which traps the energy of sun, which helps in preparing the food. Next question is, who are decomposers and scavengers? Decomposers. They are the organisms which are responsible for breaking down the body of dead plants and animals such as fungi and bacteria. Scavengers. They are the birds and animals that feed on the bodies of dead animals. For example, vulture, hyenas, etc. Next question is, describe a forest food chain. In a forest food chain, grass is eaten by a deer, which is food for a tiger. The grass, deer, and tiger form a food chain. In this food chain, energy flows from the grass, which is producer, to the deer, which is primary consumer, to the tiger, which is secondary consumer. Next we have chapter 2, the human body. The first question is, what are the three parts of the brain? The three parts of the brain are cerebellum and brainstem, which is also known as medulla. Next question is, what is the function of the spinal cord? The spinal cord transmits messages from the brain to the rest of the body and vice versa. It is also responsible for controlling and monitoring our reflexes. Third question is, what is respiration? Respiration is the physical process of breathing in oxygen which reaches the lungs and breathing out carbon dioxide. Fourth question is, describe the function of the lungs. The function of the lungs is to mix oxygen into our blood and to remove the unwanted carbon dioxide and water vapor from it. Fifth question is, what is rate of heartbeat? The number of times the heart beats in a minute is called the rate of heartbeat. Next we have chapter 3, health and diseases. So in this chapter we have the first question, what is malnutrition? Malnutrition is a condition in which a person does not get the required amount of nutrients. It ultimately leads to various deficiency diseases. Next question is, what is a disease? A disease is a condition where the mind or the body is not able to function properly. Question number 3. What are some of the effects of anemia? In anemia, less hemoglobin is produced in the blood. It leads to the formation of dark circles around the eyes, a pale face, tiredness, loss of appetite, and loss of weight. What are communicable diseases? Diseases that spread from one living being to another are called communicable diseases. They are also called infectious or contagious diseases. Question number 5. What are some of the causes of non-communicable diseases? The causes of non-communicable diseases are as mentioned below. Lack of certain nutrients like vitamins, minerals, proteins, or carbohydrates lead to deficiency diseases like rickets or anemia. Malfunctioning of an organ of the body like the liver, heart or kidneys can be regarded as a non-communicable disease. Next we have fill in the blanks in chapter 3. First question is, diseases that are caused due to the lack of balanced diet which does not contain sufficient nutrients are called. Answer is deficiency diseases. 2. In anemia, less hemoglobin is produced in the blood. Malaria is spread by the Anopheles mosquito. Common cold is a communicable disease. Communicable diseases are also called infectious or contagious diseases. So this is the question answer of chapter 1, 2 and 3. Whenever you are doing the question answer, please take care of the spelling mistakes. Write the question answers carefully so that you will have less spelling mistakes. Thank you.